Hee, let's have some fun with this. Do. Let's try pressing this button. Huh? Why have I stopped? Come on, wheels, go! This button! Whoa! No, I don't want to go into the safari zone. Please ignore me, animals. Hehe, pretend I'm not here. This button! Uh-oh! Whoa! Oh dear, what's happening to me? Wheels? Why can't I control them? Something's not right. Oh, thanks, hippos. Whoa, I'm off again. Oh no, there's a tiger on the track. I can't stop. Phew. Nice tiger. Whoa, help!
Hey, tiger! Leave Luke alone!
Phew, thanks, Safari Funling.
What are you doing so close to a tiger, Luke?
I can't control my wheels, and I don't know why. Hello there, Funling. Please can you load that cargo into my truck?
Certainly, Diesel.
Let's try pressing this button again.
I'll load it now. Huh? Diesel, you moved. Very funny.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Let's try again. There. Huh? Okay, Diesel, that was funny the first time. Less so now.
Sorry, Funling. This button? Whoa!
Diesel, I'm trying to help you. Come back.
I can't help it. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm back.
There, I loaded it really quickly so you couldn't move again. Gah, you try to help some people.
Why have I lost control of my wheels? Backwards! Backwards! Watch out, Diesel! Oh! Sorry, hero. I've lost control of my wheels. It could have something to do with that device stuck to your side. What? Oh no! I'm off again! Oh, I need to get this device off me!
Okay, my next objective of the day is to power down and recharge. Hold on, is there something on my back?
What does this button do?
Uh-oh, whoa, help, I can't control my thrusters. Whoa, hello there, sorry elephants. Robot Funling, you're upsetting the animals. I can't control my thrusters.
Careful, Robot Funling.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Hey, you derailed me.
Sorry, James.
What was that device?
Whoa.
Robot Funling, what are you doing?
Sorry, Diesel. I couldn't control my thrusters.
Huh, and I couldn't control my wheels earlier. Me too. I lost control of my wheels, but then I found this device on me. Me too.
A device? Like this one?
Yes, what is it?
It looks like a device which remotely controls whoever's touching it.
What? So someone was controlling us? Who? Oh look, Thomas is over there with a very similar device.
I believe Thomas's device can control this one.
So it was Thomas? Let's stop him!
Yeah.
Hello there, we need to talk to you.
Yeah.
Hello? What about? What is that device you're holding? It's a remote control. Aha! So it was you! What was me?
You have been controlling us with your remote control.
What? No, this is the remote control for my new remote control car. Huh? I don't think it works though. No matter what button I press, it won't move.
See, Thomas, your remote control is controlling the other device, not your car. Who did you get it from?
Well, Rascal Funling gave me the remote control in the car. Then he's the one behind all this.
Yes, it was me. Didn't you lot spot me? I was watching it all very closely. I gave Thomas a fake remote control car. That controller actually controlled whoever I put the other device on. That was fun. Bye-bye.
Oops, sorry I fell for that, you three. That's alright, Thomas. It wasn't your fault. No, it's all Rascal Funding's fault. But at least it's all over now.